Everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are starting a new chapter, that is chapter 16, water, a precious resource. Jal hai to kal hai. If you have water, you can think of the future. You are perhaps aware that 22nd March is celebrated as the World Water Day. A school celebrated Water Day and invited posters from the children of your age group. Some of the posters presented on the day are shown in figure 16.1. What is the message you get from these posters? Write your observations in your notebook and discuss them in the class. Have you ever felt a shortage of water at home or at school? Your parents or teachers must have very often be advising you not to waste water. No wonder we celebrate Water Day every year to attract the attention of everybody towards the importance of conserving water. The amount of water recommended by the United Nations for drinking, washing, cooking, and maintaining proper hygiene is a minimum of 50 liters per person per day. This amount is about 2.5 buckets of water per person per day. So, the very first thing we have to know in this chapter, that is, if you have water, you can think of the future. So in this chapter we are only studying about water and how it's precious in our life. So 22nd March is celebrated as World Water Day, and then uh, some of our schools also celebrated this day. And in this people or children makes posters at how we can save water, and they will give some important message to all of us. Then our parents and teachers must have advising us not to waste water, and then the amount of water recommended by United Nations for washing, cooking, and maintaining proper hygiene, minimum of 50 liters per person per day. So now, is your family getting at least this much of water? If yes, you should consider yourself fortunate, because millions of people in our country do not get enough water. What about your friends and their families? Share your experience with them. In some places, there is an acute shortage of water. Taps running dry, long queues for water is shown figure 16.2. Fights, marches, and protests for demand of water have become a common sight, especially during summers. Some of the newspaper clippings shown figure 16.3 clearly indicate this message. Is it not true that we face acute shortage of water? So we should be consider ourselves fortunate that because of uh, as millions of people in our country do not get enough water for their usage. So what about your friends and their families? They should share experiences with each other, that how precious water is for our life. So in some places also there is an acute shortage of water and taps are running dry, and we have some protests for demand of water that have become a common sight, and especially the in the summer season. So we have some of the newspaper clippings in figure 16.3 that will clearly indicate this message, that how important water is, and is it not true that we face acute shortage of water. So that's it for this video. Now we are starting the next topic in the next video.